Alrighty, in this video we're going to be taking a look how to possibly assign math on the spot videos. There's one way to go about this. Coming over here from the dashboard to the tile that says math on the spot videos. From there you have access to any of all grade levels as well as lessons. For this purpose we'll look at grade 1 and go ahead and select any chapter that you may want. We'll look at chapter 9. And then once you have your chapter, you can select any lesson. When I click on a lesson, automatically a new Math on the Spot video will open. What you're wanting to do is come up to the top and go ahead and get that entire URL or web address and copy it. Once I've copied that web address, I'm going to want to paste that to anything I want the students to have. In this example, we'll take a look at Google Classroom. So I'll come over here to my Google Classroom, and I already have, here's the math lesson that I'm having my students work on that I'm going to push out to them, and I'm just going to paste that entire URL, which creates a hyperlink so that students or parents, when they click on this, will be directly resent to the Math on the Spot video that you had created.